Today we got a video from Crime on Body Cam, and the title of the video is "Woman Pushed a Police Officer After She Asked to Be Arrested."
8th, 2023, police respond to a hotel call involving an elderly woman with nowhere to go. She repeatedly begs officers to take her to jail. When told she must leave the property, the situation escalates.
I flush toilets, sir.
Thank you.
You're ignorant. You are a lowlife for saying that. But you're used to that, I'm sure.
I really am, unfortunately.
No, my brothers are not up here.
You can step back.
And my brother would go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yep,
We're done.
we're not gonna
Go.
get to that.
Go.
Go, I'm going to jail.
No.
No, you're not.
You just gotta leave the property.
I want to go to jail.
Well, I want to go to the Bahamas, and neither one.
I want to go to jail. I won't hurt you no more.
Hey, you didn't hurt me at all.
Don't do that. Now you're going to...
I'm going.
Yeah, you are.
I didn't drink.
What, day before she's in custody?
My feelings are hurt more than anything. That's right.
Is that necessary?
No, I shouldn't have done it.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Now you're just kind of battered to a police
And
officer.
I'm stupid.
Now you're being battered into a PO.
And you should have heard what they were saying to me, especially that man.
It's all on video, Diane.
Good.
Let's go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Of course.
Well, I got to give you a ride.
No, I'm thanking you. I'm thanking her for opening my door.
You want to pat her down real quick?
Yeah, I'm going to do a quick
Pat me down, baby. Pat down those sweatpants or those hots of yours, too.
Well, you never know.
You don't know, lady, do ya?
I have to keep my guy.
Come on, that
Hey.
Hey, that feels good.
What the? What did you take tonight?
I don't take drugs, whether you want to believe it or not.
I don't believe you, unfortunately.
I think you look like a drug addict.
Me?
Yeah.
That's the first time I ever heard
Yeah,
that.
listen to me.
Go ahead and take a seat.
I can't.
Why not?
Better
I
pick your
need
legs up.
help.
Why would-
Pick your leg up. You
I
got
got
it.
you. I got you. Pick your right leg up. Set it in the vehicle. There you go.
Oh my God.
That's not what.
I wanted it in.
Well,
Oh!
stand up. Stand up.
I'm trying.
No, you're really not. Lift your right leg into the vehicle. Support your body weight with your left leg.
Can I hold on to the handle real quick?
That's not going to help you.
Okay. Ready?
I'm ready.
What?
There it is.
There you go, Diane.
I hate you for the rest of my life.
That's fine.
And God will get you.
I've been called
The
worse
devil will
things.
get you.
Here, I'm going to hand you the seatbelt, TK.
Kiss your name.
I am. I've been nice to you.
You were, weren't you?
I still am being nice
No,
to you.
you're not.
Ooh.
Converse. Converse. Oh, damn it, it's not in drive.
I'm gonna go with you.
I don't know.
Good.
That's not what egg. That's not egg.
So it's going to be clear, valid,
Please
David,
don't
Fairview Heights, negative.
We're not going up.
I don't know what was there.
109, I'm on St. Greenfield.
They're not.
I'll have to read, but it's...
Oh, we'll see.
I'll go.
Dispatch 130.
All right. Well, nothing's gonna happen out of this. One, she has mental health issues. Two, even if she is okay, the other problem is that she's homeless. She has nowhere to go. So you tend to see this a lot with homeless people and stuff like that. They'll do petty crimes to be able to go to jail, because at least in jail, you got 3 hots and a cot. Whether, you know, because if she's homeless and she got no money or whatever the case may be, then she'll be in the jail until she's able to bond out, you know, and she doesn't have money, so she's not going to be able to bond out. So she'll be in there until her case is over with, however long that takes, you know, whether it's 90 days, 6 months, whatever the case may be. But that's 90 days or whatever of time that she doesn't have to worry about a place to go. And a lot of times you find this happening in the winter time. So this is December 8th, 2023. It's getting cold out, right? That's why everybody got the, you know, longer sleeves on and things like that or whatever. I don't know where they're necessarily at, but it makes sense. She's like, she tried to get warm in a hotel or whatever, try to go to the hotel, whatever. Instead of being trespassed, well, I know I can go to jail if I put my hands on an officer. So that's why she just did the little doop. And, oh, well, you're going to jail now. Oh, you're going to jail now. Oh, you shouldn't have did that. You shouldn't have did that. You know, and they're all like, and it's like, she did that on purpose. Okay. You know, I was a correction officer, see it all the time. You know, the most two common things that you see is people doing petty crimes to get maybe a year or two in jail. Now, I worked for the state, so I didn't work for the little county jail, but it's the same type of thing, right? But you'll see the most common stuff that you see is people who are homeless, who will do whatever, maybe a robbery or something, you know, not saying that a robbery is petty, but they'll do some crime to where they could get like 2 years or, you know, 2-3 years, something, whatever, right? Because life in their circumstances, life would be better in there versus trying to figure it out on the street. And then another thing that you would see is like transgender people. I don't know, whatever you with, you know, whatever, you know, but I am going to talk about the LGB community and all real quick. Okay. People that are transitioning. Okay. A lot of times you see that, you know, the medications and the hormones and the this and the that, whatever, they're expensive out on the street. Right. So what they would do is they would start the process on the street, do a robbery or whatever, some crime. So that way they could get, you know, 2 years, 3 years or whatever. And what happens is that whatever medications you are on the street, the state picks those medications up. Right. So now you have the state taxpayers, right, who are now paying for this person to transition and paying for their hormones and all this other type of stuff. So those are the two most common things that I see, you know, with people that are doing crimes on purpose for a reason. There's a different motive to it. Like I said, one, if a person is having a tough time and they're homeless, you'll see them do it in the wintertime. So that way they could come out in the summer or whatever the case may be, right? They know what crimes they can do to get certain amounts of time, you know? And then the other thing is, you know, the people in the community that are trying to transition, they'll start the process, do a crime, have to go do 2-3 years, and the state picks up their medications, you know, so now they got it pretty much for free. So by the time they out, you know, they you know, they've had a lot of the hormones and all of that, whatever that stuff is. But that's, you know, that's what's going on, you know.
Okay, copy starter.
Go ahead.
109-660. 109-660. I didn't think I put them on there too tight. I did not.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
am I lying?
About what?
You're like, I mean, it hurt real bad. I swear to God, I wouldn't lie.
I didn't do that intentionally. I put them on and I checked for fit. I was able to get 2 of my fingers in there, man.
That shell 20.
Fat ass finger. Oh, yeah.
20, go ahead. Exterior secure. Under secure.
I need one. I'm going to call it right now.
Okay.
Tops.
That's fine. That's okay. Okay.
As long as they beat you up, who cares?
As long as who beats who up?
My brother-in-law's were cops. They didn't beat me. I didn't know you were out here.
Yeah, I am.
You goddamn right you're on your way. Someone else, by the way, you look in the mirror.
Yeah, every day. You need help out, ma'am? You need help out?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, hold
My
on.
hands are handcuffed, please.
I was going to put them on there, ma'am. I get it.
Thank you.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you, sir. Hold on. You're pulling my wrist. I'm coming.
All right.
Oh,
I got you.
thank you.
You're welcome. Remember, you were just cussing me out and told me
I
I
know, but
was
I'm still not a fan. I'm not a
That's right. We're going to be right around this way, ma'am.
but I have not.
Right around this way, ma'am.
Thank you. I do all things, but I'm not working.
Hi.
Did I see you today already?
Multiple times. Unfortunately.
I thought so. I forget. Guess what? I can't walk like this. I am used to 2 arms on one side, so it's going to take a while.
I get it. You're fine. Take your time.
Thank you for taking to watch me, sir.
All right, I'm gonna take one of these handcuffs off you, okay? And I'm gonna.
Oh, let's do it like that. What was that show? I forgot the name of that show.
In the end, the woman was arrested for battery on a law enforcement officer after making physical contact during the encounter. What began as a request for help turned into an arrest once that line was crossed. Do you think the arrest was unavoidable?
Yeah. So, whatever. She got a spot for the weekend or whatever. They thought they caught one. Yo, you're going to jail now. You definitely did it. Yeah. She did it on purpose, guys. Like, come on. Seriously? You shouldn't have did that. Oh, put your hands behind your back. Oh. Oh my God. That part is funny. Look at this. I gotta go back to this. This was just hilarious. This was hilarious. She said, I want to go to jail.
I want to go to jail.
Well, I want to go to the Bahamas, and neither one.
I want to go to jail. Don't, I won't hurt you no more.
You didn't hurt me at all.
They thought they got one, huh? Look. Now you're going to jail. We got you. Now you're going. She gave you a love tap for a reason. It's like, she did it on purpose. That's hilarious. But anyways, yeah, I mean, like I said, the cops, they did their part. They did what they had to do, but their reaction was just the funny part. Like, you're going to jail now. Yeah. I did it on purpose. Thank you for taking me to jail. I get 3 meals. I get a bed. If I'm out here, I have nowhere to go. But now I have food in my belly. Now I got a bed. Yeah, I got to deal with some unruly people. But I'm an old lady. They're not going to bother me too much. She did it on purpose. Anyways, yeah, so cops get a 4. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member, and I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.